Hey, what's going on YouTube? So it's Nathan back here with another one, bringing to you updated video. Today I want to go ahead and bring to you the official YouTube TV app. It is officially finally back on Amazon Firestick. You can get this app on any device above a Gen 1 device, so your Fire TV device, your TV, your smart TVs as well with Fire TV included. All you have to do is say YouTube TV into your Firestick remote, and those are the remotes that have the Alexa built into it.
Here's YouTube TV.
Once you have spoken YouTube TV into your remote, as you can see, the app comes up. It has 0 reviews for right now. I'm sure that would be short-lived, but as you can see, it says get free to download. So it's not pre-installed already on the device, so you'll have to install it from there. The second alternative, all you have to do is go back to the home screen, click on the magnifying glass, and begin to type in YouTube TV. Go ahead and fully type it in. You don't need to fully type it out, but I just do just in case, just see if I get better search results if I type it in all the way. But you can see it starts to auto-populate, then you make your way down, and then you just click on YouTube TV, the first search result, or the one below it, or the one below that one. Once you do, you'll then see the first app is just the regular YouTube, and then you're curious about that. It's like, okay, where's the app? It should be number 1, right? Well, it's so new, it's not going to show up in number 1, so you start scrolling all the way over to the right and just keep going and keep going and keep going. It's about like maybe the 10 or 20th app in, and there it goes right there, YouTube TV. You'll know because the icon is all black with the red play button. You click on it, it's got 0 reviews as well. But this will change. You look at the trailers and the screenshots. That's what it'll look like. It says live TV, cable free. That's how you know it's the official YouTube TV app. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You click on free to download. It then begins to download. And I'm going to let that download and install. Alright, and then we can open it. But before I open it, I'm just going to go down and show you the screenshots really quick. Alright, so these are the screenshots, just a quick preview because I'm not going to show you what it looks like inside, so I'm just going to show you these screenshots because it looks exactly the same. You'll have your TV guide, you'll have your main screen of what it'll look like when you pick and choose from the home screen. You'll have your channel list there, you have USA, FX, all the popular channels, HGTV, TNT, and so many more channels beyond those that are listed. And from here you just click on open the app, and then there's only 2 options. There's try it for free, so those of you who don't already have this, you want to make sure that you do probably get this. I mean, I'm probably going to get it. I don't pay for it right now, but I'm going to get it in the future. 70 plus channels, free unlimited DVR, 6 accounts per household, and 3 streams included. You can't beat that, especially if you're trying it for free. I would try it for free. I've tried it for free before, and it was awesome. So I got to cancel my cable first, and then I'm going to try this out. But most likely I'll just get the service, so that'll be cool. I'm not promoting this, by the way. It's just that good of a service. And then you can also sign into it as well. But that's all I got for you today. I hope you like this video. Give it a like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick tip here. If for any reason you don't see this app, you want to make your way all the way over to the settings, and then once you do, you want to drop down and then make your way all the way over to the right, and then you go ahead and click on My Fire TV. You want to make sure your device is all the way up to date, just in case if you don't see the app, you can't find it. You go to the About section, and then once you're on the About tab, you make your way all the way down to the bottom where it says check for updates, and then you want to go down to the bottom. Alright, so once you're on check for updates, you'll see on the right hand side last checked, it says Monday, September 30th. If you see that, that means you should have the app on your device. If you see anything before that date, you just want to click on check for updates. It'll check it really quickly for you. It'll say your Fire TV is up to date, or it'll just start updating your device. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you saw value in it. Now you finally get the YouTube TV app, so you can stop bashing me in the comments on that other previous video. Oh, you don't know what YouTube TV is. I do actually know what it is. I just wanted to give you some entertainment there, but it didn't work out as according to plan. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, comment, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Thanks. Peace.
I remember when Plus first told me take a peek in the shoebox. Introduced me to them bands, hit me to the plan, now I'm making moolah. He had a Desi drip, switching foreign whips, let the work do the work for me. Only call it hustle if your profit doubles, otherwise you a worker bee. Leave the rest up in God's hands. Wise words from a wise man. Can you tell the time turning 25 into 5 bands? Nigga, I can. Then that 5 started jumping, flip the 10, and that 10 turned to 20, and now everything that I want is paid for. That's the life I was made for.